Power cable termination, DCP-DB1 negative 48, DCP-DB1 0 volt, L7S1, L7S2, L7S3, GL18S1, GL18S2, GL18S3. Cable route, grounding, RBS grounding, alarm cable, CPRI, L7S1, L7S2, 7S3, GL18S1, GL18S2, GL18S3, covered cup, labels, alarm cable, easy main, fan, OBP, power cable routing, rectifier port full, rectifier port full, power cable routing, breaker assignment and rectifier 125, labels, DCP-DB1, DCP-DB2 negative 48, DCP-DB1 0 volts, DCP-DB2 0 volts,